bring you some food over if you're hungry, or if not, then we can just get it tomorrow and I can make you leftovers. But if you're hungry, my dad said he'll run it over right now. He said it's so
I'm
good.
not hungry now.
He's not hungry, but tomorrow we'll get some to eat some if there's enough.
That green thing went off. Now we can play while helicopters.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I just wanted to, oh, you called me. That's right. But I was going to call you because Chris asked me to ask you about that.
Okay? Okay, take it off.
Huh?
Go ahead, take it off.
Uh-huh.
Let's take it off.
Okay.
Let's take it off.
Right. That's what I told her, but I didn't know.
Okay, take it off.
Okay. All right. I'll tell her. Okay, Mom. Bye-bye.
Take it off, Grandpa.
Why?
Because that green thing went off.
It did?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
That means we can play with it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Wow.
Take it off.
Huh?
Take it off. Take that off. The charger off. See? That.
Then what? Huh?
You can't take that one off because that green thing went off.
It did?
Yeah. It did.
What's that mean?
That means we can play with it.
Okay.
You take it off.
Are you ready to play?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You take it off now?
Yeah.